Welcome to Samundra Institute of Maritime Studies, or SIMS, one of the world's most reputed maritime training institutes. If you ever have a dream to be a merchant navy officer, SIMS is the door to knock to realize that dream. Executive Ship Management, a leading international ship management company established in Singapore, conceptualized and developed this state-of-the-art exclusive maritime training institute in India with its own 100% financial investment. The aim was to provide superior quality training and develop a reservoir of high-caliber Indian seafarers to meet the increasing demands of its expanding number of ships and at the same time contribute to the Indian and international seafaring industry at large. All selected entries to SIMS benefit from automatic sponsorship from ESM and guaranteed placements on board ESM-managed ships as cadets or training officers after successful completion of training at SIMS. SIMS and ESM Association provides you the perfect launchpad as well as the crucial placement support needed at the early stages of a seafaring career.
We offer a host of pre-sea courses at our 55 acres campus at SIMS Lonavala, approved by the Director General of Shipping, Government of India and affiliated to the Indian Maritime University. Our institute has received the highest grading of A1 outstanding from Government of India since the inception of the grading system.
SIMS is a 21st century Gurukul set in the ancient Indian tradition of nurturing and caring, but with avant-garde infrastructure and facilities to provide a unique learning experience for a would-be seafarer. The 2,300 square meter workshop, manned by highly passionate and technically qualified instructors, will train you to handle real-life situations on board effectively, efficiently, and safely. Variety of workshops and facilities provide an extensive range of hands-on training on navigation, engineering, seamanship, electrical, and other related marine courses. The unique system of blended learning that combines traditional classroom teaching with e-learning is proven ideal as students take a driver's seat. This system, pioneered by SIMS in the Indian maritime training sector, assists learners in a more inclusive way. Supplemented by the Wi-Fi enabled campus and the laptops given to all cadets, it makes learning from anywhere smooth and easy. A huge emphasis is placed on our cadets and trainees imbibing safe working practices, which is the cornerstone of safety culture in SIMS and ESM. Besides these, SIMS offers you more advantages that are truly unparalleled. SIMS Marine faculty are veteran seafarers. Their input enhances the learning experience of the cadets as they share their own practical knowledge apart from teaching the basics like theories from textbooks. Every year, hundreds of cadets who join SIMS for various courses successfully launch their seafaring career on board ships under the management of ESM. Climbing up career growth, a seafarer will require further new and advanced skills along with continuous updating of the existing ones. SIMS Advanced Training Center in Mumbai adopts a proactive approach to equip itself to provide all kinds of advanced training needs of a seafarer. All SIMS ESM cadets on becoming an officer will be part of various mandatory post-sea training programs at this center, which is regarded among the best in the country. These are high-value training modules accredited to various authorities and entities of international repute. SIMS has taken steps to encourage girls to join this rewarding industry through many initiatives.
It is heartening to see more female students coming forward to join the Merchant Navy.
My parents love the fact that I chose an out-of-box career option for women. Yes, the training here is challenging, but every day I learn something new. And I can see a different and mentally stronger me is emerging every day.
Along with our training and education, I also enjoy extracurricular activities such as many indoor and outdoor sports and various other activities. This makes our life in the institute so much fun.
Each day, I am driven by the excitement of traveling across the world, the prospects of sea life, and the various experiences I'll have on different ships.
I'm Smriti Sarjan and I'm a deck cadet. I completed my year-long pre-sea training at SIMS Lonavala after finishing secondary school. I can confidently say a day will come when I will proudly walk into a vessel like this as a captain. And many such opportunities await based on my own hard work. I know sky's the limit. Come join the Merchant Navy and see for yourself.
When you join SIMS, you become a part of the ESM culture that believes in high standards of competency, quality, professionalism, and safety. It's an atmosphere where steady career growth is assured.